Magic.
That sounded like a magic. Okay. He's saying about girls. He's recording right now. Go.
The thing about girls, when they're around girls and they see a boy alone, they can confiscate his confidence.
It's true! I swear that my legs turn to jello. They ruin a fellow when they point and laugh. And the part that's the worst of the worst is that whispering thing that they do. Then they brush back their hair and they throw you a curve and give you that look that suggests you deserve some mystery gift you must find.
It's amazing the way they can mess with your mind. We'd be much better off if they'd leave us alone. But what every guy wants is a girl of his own.
Yeah, I like the better music. Yeah, me too. Personally, I'm not saying all those lines.
Just say it.
Bum, 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 bum. I'm a punch you in your nose.
Come on, guys, let's get to work. All right.
Okay. Bum, 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 bum.
Doo-doo,
Bum, bum,
doo-doo,
bum, bum, bum.
Romeo Midnight, that's who we are. A smile and a future as bright as his star. If you haven't made plans, heaven's got room for two. Romeo Midnight is waiting for you. Romeo Midnight.